Can you use coupons in McDonald's? Today we will be talking about if you can use coupons on McDonald's. Well, you cannot because the coupon things from the McDonald's does not exist anymore. Either you get the McDonald's gift card, which should be, which should be redeemable in the McDonald's app, which should be redeemable in the McDonald's store itself. If you have a McDonald's gift card, just go to any of the store and they'll be able to redeem it for you. However, if you want to redeem any of the coupons, there aren't any coupons. If you talk about the McDonald's app, in the McDonald's app, they will give you rewards or the points, which you will directly be able to redeem on the McDonald's app. So if someone is giving you any coupon codes, you can actually try to talking to the McDonald's itself, visit any McDonald's and try to tell them that you have code. They might be able to help you redeem it. However, coupon codes does not exist in the McDonald's. Either they have rewards or redeem points, or they have the gift cards. So that's pretty much it. That's what it is. Hope you guys find this very helpful.